Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to connect Stripe to WooCommerce, and it will be a full step-by-step guideline for you. And let's dive into the main topic. So without any further ado, so here you can see we are already in our WordPress website. This is our front-end design. As you can see it, this design is really amazing. So here we are going to connect our Stripe account on this WordPress website. The process is really simple. You just need to apply some method which I will show you in this throughout video. So first of all, let's go onto the Stripe account. Here you can see this is the URL stripe.com. Here, as you can see, it is a platform where you can do your financial transaction through these options like financial infrastructure to grow your revenue. Join the million of companies that use Stripe to accept payments online and in person. Embedded financial services power custom revenue models and build a more profitable business. So here you can see OpenAI, Amazon, Google, and many more platforms use this Stripe platform there as payment options. So now I'm going to also using this platform for my website. So it is really simple. Here I just need to click on this email address. As you can see, we already have, and so I'm going to click on start now. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to that place. So I already have an account. So if you don't have any account, here you just need to follow this simple step-by-step process so you can create your account. Once you're done, then you just need to click on create account. Once you click on create account, they will redirect you to the new page where you just need to submit your address, your business address, and then you can allow to use their Stripe platform. So now I already have an existing account, that's why I'm going to click on sign in. Once I click over here, then here I'm going to paste my password and then click on sign in, and it will take a while. So here they are telling us incorrect email or password, so let's create a new account. That's really amazing. For this video, just click on sign up. This was the simplest one, that's why I chose this one. Just select my Gmail account and then click on continue. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to the dashboard panel. Here you can see, so here you can see it. This is the dashboard panel, and it gives us the options called sandbox options. So we are allowed to use it on our website also as a demo. So now here you can see this is the WooCommerce.com platform. So you can integrate Stripe with this option. You just need to create your WooCommerce account here. Similarly, just click on login. Once you click over here, then you just need to click on continue with Gmail, or you can go this step-by-step option. So here I am just click on continue with Google. This is the simplest one, that's why I always choose this option. Just click on this option, then click on continue. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to this panel. Here you can see, just click on approve, and it taking time to authorize, so I will now click on cancel. So here you can see we have options called dashboard, then my store, my subscriptions, orders, then profile, payments. So this image was your email address on wordpress.com. After you change your email address, please contact support. Okay, then click on payments. So here you can add your payment method. So here they are giving us bunch of options called PayPal and card, so you can go with these options. No payment method saved yet, so you can add more payment method in here. So this is really easy. So there's the options to add this Stripe is you just need to paste your email address, then here you just need to select one. Let's go on payments and click on add payment method, and let's find out here there is options are not to add our Stripe. So solution to high volume payments, so you just need to talk to support team to add Stripe. There is another way to add Stripe, that is the website. So here I'm going to install plugin called WooCommerce. Just search for WooCommerce here, and let's hit enter button. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to that place where you will get this WooCommerce plugin to install it. So you need to be wait a bit. So let's find out where is the WooCommerce. So here I'm not getting the WooCommerce, so I will copy the name. So there is I think there's a couple of things we did wrong, that's why I am not allowed to get the WooCommerce main plugin. That's why I search it again. As you can see, it will take a while again, so we need to be patient for this one, for this work. So let's wait a bit. So eventually you can see that our WooCommerce plugin has been found out. So I'm going to click on install. Once I click over here, then it will take again a while to connect it. So here I'm just going to click on install, and let's read some information. So if you search for how to connect Stripe to our WooCommerce, so here they will give you whole procedure. So if you think this video was long, then you can read this information. This is really easy. You just need to be install the Stripe plugin, then connect your Stripe account, configure the plugin till test its setup. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. Once you install your WooCommerce, then install this WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway. So here let's click on Stripe. So here as you can see it, so we just need to install our WooCommerce Stripe gateway. Just copy this one, and let's click on skip guide setup. Go to my store, turning on the lights. So here we are waiting for the complete. So as you can see it opening the doors, and their favorite color is purple. That's great. Let's wait a bit again, but before this we can start our work with this one. And so here we just need to go onto the themes again, or as you can see it has been done. So they are redirecting us to WooCommerce panel, and this is the WooCommerce panel. Here we have options. If I visit on settings called payments, but I want to install this plugin called WooCommerce Stripes. Let's search it, and then you will get the options again. So let's wait a bit again. So here once you're done, let's talk about the WooCommerce setting. Here just click on setting. Once I click over here, and here you can see we have called payment options. Just come over here, and here you can see they are telling us to install payment or Payoneer checkout options. Like it is like if your business located in Bangladesh, then Payoneer checkout is working for you. If you are from United States, let's apply. Then here you will get further more options like accept payment with Woo, Amex Player, then MasterCard, Visa Card, WPay, Apple Pay, Kalma, and many more. As you can see it, then you are allowed to accept PayPal payments too. So here you can see this is the WooCommerce Stripe payment, and let's click on install. There is the option. So here you just need to click on install. In this way you can easily install it and set up on your website. So process is really simple. So once you're done, just click on activate it, and once you click over here activate it, here you can see our WooCommerce Stripe has been activated. There is a warning we are getting, that is WooCommerce Stripe Gateway Legacy checkout expense no longer be supported in a subsequent version of the plugin. Migrate to the new checkout expense to access more payments. Okay, that's not a problem or issue for us right now. Just click on setting, and here you can see create or connect a test account. Just click over here, and it will redirect you to that place. So here they are telling you to set up your two-step authentication. So you just need to do this process one by one to complete it. Just copy it, set up your, just copy it, then click on next, and here you will get these options in your authenticate. This way you get connected your Stripe account with your WordPress panel. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you think this video was really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.